Alright, we're trying something new here with the homework videos. Some people have been having some trouble accessing them, so we're going to give this a try. We're taking a look here at number 6 on the homework, and we take a look here at our two x terms here. You see that we have 3 and negative 4, and with our two y terms we have 2 and negative 5. So we don't have anything that matches up right now. We're going to have to multiply both of our equations either by what's with x, 3 and negative 4, or by what's with y, 2 and negative 5, to make them match up. It's kind of a toss-up here, but I think I'd rather multiply by 3 and negative 4. So we're going to multiply the top equation here by whatever is with x in the bottom equation here. We're going to multiply by negative 4. The bottom equation, we're going to multiply with whatever is with x in the top equation here, 3. So I'm going to multiply running my new equations over here to the right. So negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Negative 4 times 2y is negative 8y. And negative 4 times 15 is going to be negative 60. Okay, and then for the bottom equation, everything gets multiplied by 3. 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. You can see our two x terms are the same. That's good. 3 times negative 5y is negative 15y. And 3 times negative 13 is going to be negative 39. So now we have something that matches up here, our two x terms, negative 12x and negative 12x there. When they're the same like that, we need to subtract to make them equal 0. So subtract, and everything will get subtracted here. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Alright, so negative 12x minus 12x, negative 12x will cancel out. Negative 8y minus negative 15y. These two subtraction signs in a row make them positive. Negative 8y plus 15y is 7y. We have the same thing happen here. Negative 60 minus negative 39. These two subtraction signs in a row make a positive. Negative 60 plus 39, though, is going to be negative 21. So we solve this equation now. See what y equals. Negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. So as we set up our ordered pair answer here, we just figured out that y is negative 3. Now we're going to use that, negative 3, and we're going to plug that back into one of our original equations here, which are a little bit of a mess, but I think we can make it work. Let's go with the bottom one here, since it's not quite as messy as the top one there. We'll plug in negative 3 right here for y. So that's going to be negative 4x. And we can go ahead and do this mental math here. What would negative 5 times negative 3 be? It would be positive 15 equals negative 13. So now we have an equation that we can use to solve for x right here. We're going to go ahead and get x by itself by subtracting 15 on both sides. That gives us negative 4x equals negative 13 minus 15 brings us down to negative 28. And then to continue getting x by itself here, we divide by negative 4 on both sides. So negative 28 divided by negative 4 is positive 7. So that goes here. We should be able to plug in 7 for x and negative 3 for y in both of the equations, and it should equal what it says it equals here on both of these.